I'm only going to say to the SDM. Skies. As you well know, travelling over to Stuggart for this one with Eurowings. I'm going to keep this really short and sweet. I have got a video from last time I flew with Eurowings over to Cologne. That one with Phantasialand back in 2019. So short and sweet one, but I'll give you a quick menu browse. Got 2 cans of Veltins there, £9, £4, sorry, €4.50 each. Right, quick menu browse. Do the important stuff first. So the Veltins, €4.50 each. Don't think that's bad at all. Modern day climate. You've got all your chocky treats, soft drinks, the hot stuff, literally. Don't know if they're available on this flight. Only a 1 hour 10, really short flight this one. These are for your longer flights. There are your deals. So yeah, all found in the wings. Bistro magazine, and then you've got a bit of safety lit there. Don't understand a word of it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna go off and enjoy my beer. I'll get you the landing in Stuttgart. Stuttgart. I'm on the U-Bahn number 6 going to Boxer. Quite a bit of an ordeal getting through passports. He asked a lot of questions. Anyway, I've got my ticket. I'm not actually sure if it's the ticket. I think it is. But I'll just pay extra for the excess if I need to. I'm sure I'll understand if I've gone wrong a little bit. But yeah, good flight over, on time arrival, literally straight off the bus, because the bus picked us up, took us to the terminal, straight into passports. So good one on that one, and as I said, a little bit strict, but they've got a job to do. If you're up front with them, they'll be fine with you. Okay, I have reached where I'll be spending the next 2 nights. List 5, your British guest house. So I've got to put a pin in that pin counter there type thing. This didn't go very well in Stockholm, so I'll get back to you, then it'll release me key for the... Well, that went much better than expected. As I said, when I was in Stockholm, when I went over, well, Gronelund, it should have been Gronelund, but for the Vic in the end, I had some real problems with the pin pad, but no, just put in the code. The door made a noise, and then there was my key waiting in a box. So, not much of a view, somebody's car. But, some good facilities in here. You've got the microwave. You've got some crockery there, plates, cutlery, glasses. Underneath fridge, what I've just plugged in, so hopefully that'll start getting cool. And then you've got this, which is absolute heaven for me, going abroad, waking up and actually being able to make myself a cup of tea. Something that I do miss abroad a lot. The British guest house, that is very British. You've also got your little chocky treats there. I've got my chocky treats. So yeah, nice little touch. Plenty of space in the cupboard. So I'll unpack my bag properly shortly. And you've got plenty of room in there as well for different things. Drawer. Quick look at the bathroom. You've got that down there, which is a heater. Sort of bizarre thing to have in a bathroom, but never mind. Oh yeah, soaps. Got your shampoo there, but yeah, anyway. Plenty of towels. Always nice to have them. And a nice shower, nice clean shower. So yeah, well happy with this. So anyway, that is my video of my travels today. Hope you've enjoyed it. A bit random, but we like doing random things on the channel. And I will see you at Tripsdrill tomorrow for a long awaited video. So for this one, it's ta-ra for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care.